Are you scared?
Yes.
How scared are you? Scared enough to drool? Intro. This is
FISHBOY! And this is
Firetruck. And today, we're tasting some delicious canned herring from IKEA.
I'm scared. I don't like all of them, but the best one I don't like is this one.
Which one?
This one and this one. No, this one,
this
and this one.
Let's just say all of them.
I'm scared of all of them.
You want to take a whiff? Do you want to take a whiff?
Yeah. It smells like soup.
It does. It smells a lot like soup that might have carrots in it.
Yeah.
And onions, which it has onions as well.
You go first, since you're not scared. Oh
Look
no.
at this little guy. Look at that. That's not too scary. Look, it's just a little piece of fish. It's got like some red things on it.
Uh-oh.
Doesn't have any skin, really.
What does it smell like?
It's weird. It's really sweet. Okay, just take that little tiny bag.
Am I scared?
You look a little forlorn. No, do you like it? Do you like it? A lot? Do you want to eat this entire jar?
No.
Alright,
I just
let's
like
get
it, but I don't want to eat the entire jar. I don't want
Oh, that's good. Look at all that stuff. You see that? That's dill. It's like a little herb.
Oh.
Okay. It kind of smells like the first one, basically, but there's like a little, the dill. You can smell the dill.
It smells like soup.
Alright. Mushy? Spongy?
Yeah. Spongy?
Spongy?
Spongy.
Spongy?
Is it spongy?
It is spongy. A little bit. It's kind of like rubbery.
What does spongy mean?
You know what a sponge is? A sponge is like I was gonna say you use to clean dishes. Probably never cleaned a dish before. Alright. The fish dance. The fish boy dance. Are you ready to try?
Which one's this
Let's
one?
try it at the same time.
I think this one's yucky.
Alright. Bottoms up. Ugh. Somehow it's worse than the first one. Not a good flavor combo. The sweet and the dill and the fish. That's how I feel.
What's wrong with this thing?
I don't know. It's kind of weird, isn't it?
I did not want it to taste that anymore. I was gonna say fish boy when I was at the toilet and I said fish.
Were you trying to call up one of your brother from the depths?
Yeah.
I thought so.
Fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, crack!
Nice.
Look, look. Get
It's
it.
kind of goopy, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really goopy. So
Ah!
much sauce. So much sauce.
I don't want to eat that.
It's a little intimidating. It's got little tiny mustard seeds on it.
I
You
don't.
see those little
I don't
mustard
want to
seeds?
eat
You're
it.
not gonna eat any of it? Do you want me to eat it first, and then I'll tell you how it is, and then you can eat it? Is that
Yes,
okay?
yes.
Okay. Let's do this. A little piece. I kind of.
If you
so much
say
sauce.
if you say it's yucky, I won't eat it.
Okay. I'm not even exaggerating. It's not that bad. I like the mustard. The mustard is good.
Okay, I'll try it.
I think you'll think it's okay.
Yep.
Like the first one. Here, let me. Okay, go for it. Okay.
Wait, it will taste like cheese, baby.
Like cheese. Like cheese.
I don't feel it.
You don't what?
I don't feel it.
You don't feel it? Like, I'm not feeling, like, I don't know, I'm not feeling it. Is that what you're saying?
Like, it's the sauce.
The sauce is like too much. I think that's exactly what I thought. I thought it would be good if it was like on a cracker or a piece of bread. Then it might be okay because it like soaks up a little bit of sauce. On its own, sauce is a little overkill. Yeah, for sure. Nice.
Ah.
A little less springy than the other ones, actually. It's kind of like a little more like the texture of normal canned
You're
fish.
funny.
It's a little springy.
It's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna try just this little tiny piece. It's really salty. It's really salty. It's still sweet. It's not spicy like hot spice. There's not like hot spices in it. It's not spicy like that.
Just like a little spicy.
It's like Santa Claus spicy. Like Christmas. Jingle bells.
What does jingle bells taste like?
Jingle bells taste like gingerbread man. It's the gingerbread man of fish.
Does that look like
Give it a
a
go.
tiny pizza?
It does, but it does not taste like a tiny pizza.
I'm scared. Okay. 3,
Moment of truth.
2, 1. Oh, it has a lot of salt.
Yeah, it's kind of salty, right? Like,
Thanks for joining me, FISHBOY, and this is Uncle FIRETRUCK. Thank you for joining me, FISHBOY, and this is Uncle FIRETRUCK. If you like this video, please subscribe.